Plugs in here. You take your USB. This end sticks on the window. Up there to mount on the window. Now I can just pull the stereo out. And I've got access to all the wires at the back. And there's the other end. So I can use the USB port in the front. And now we're going to go into files. Going to start to download the APK file. Press continue. And we are done. As simple as that. Look at all these stations that it's found. Lovely jubbly. And what's really nice is that if you are wanting a certain area of the country that you're not in, you want to go for capital radio. If you're in Scotland, you can still listen to that, even though that's down here in London. And it's not only just the UK, you've got all over the world here as well.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.
It's a super quick one for you. This is my little Honda Civic. I've got a DAB antenna here. It's dead easy to set up. You do need a piece of software. All the links are going to be down below for you. Let me show you what's in the box. You get the USB cable that you simply plug into the back of your X10 stereo. Importantly here, this is the antenna, self-adhesive, and it sticks to the top of the window in plain line of sight. And this little box here is what plugs into the bottom of that antenna along with your USB. Plugs in here. You take your USB, plug that there. This then sticks on the window. This then plugs into one of the USB ports of your stereo. The model in particular is the X10 or the Box2. So I'm losing the light a little bit, but that's okay because I think it's going to be a quick install. Let's get this on the car and I'll show you what it looks like with the DAB stations because it's really good. So I'm going to mount it just up here on the window. I would take the little box off, makes it easier. You can then feed that through behind the panels. No special tools required. You can pull the rubber trim back on these cars. That's usually the easiest way. Up there to mount on the window. I'll stick that on at the end. Okay, that's the cable tucked in there. Here's the end of it here. Going to thread this cable nicely through behind. And then this is going to go through to the stereo. So as this is an aftermarket stereo, it's dead easy now to take out. There's only 3 screws at the top here. You just pull up this cover. I've had this off before, so it's going to come off nice and easy. Like this. And then there's 1, 2, 3. And then the whole stereo now is going to pull out and I can get access to the back. Now I can just pull the stereo out like so. Comes off with my phone holder. And I've got access to all the wires at the back. And here, this little USB connection is where I'm going to plug in the DAB. Going to use my little grabber tool and push that through. And there's the other end. Now I can put all the trim back on. So now let's plug in the DAB box. That's USB plugged in. And then that's going to plug into the spare USB at the back of the ATOTO radio, like so. Just going to tidy that up with a little tie wrap. Keep it nice and neat. Plenty of room back here. I can just tuck everything away now. Put the radio back in again. So there's a piece of software. I've got it on my USB stick. And the link is below. So I can use the USB port in the front. And now we're going to go into files on the radio to see what we can see. We're looking for like a file explorer. Files. It's going to start to download the APK file. Press continue. That's it done. Let's press open. And there we go. Allow DAB usage. Yes. It's going to search and now press search. And it's going to scan the system. There we go. And we are done. As simple as that. Look at all these stations that it's found. That is incredible. So you want a bit of smooth UK? Lovely jubbly. And what's really nice, just turn the volume down, I don't want to get copyright strike, is that if you are wanting a certain area of the country that you're not in, you can just get that. You want to go for hits in Birmingham, you want absolute 80s or absolute 10s, You want to go for Capital Radio. If you're in Scotland, you can still listen to that, even though that's down here in London. And it's not only just the UK, you've got all over the world here as well. If you want to select and store any of these, you want like Kiss Dance, you press the little heart icon. That's going to be added to your favorites. So let's have that. And I'll go for a little bit of Smooth London. Why not? And let's go for a little bit of 80s as well. So now when I go into my hearts, they're all going to be stored there as my favorites. So there we go, a super quick example and demonstration on how easy it is to install and set up with the software for the DAB Box2. There's a link down below for you. It will work for all sorts of different brands of stereos. It's not just for the ATOTO, but I'm using ATOTO today to just give you an example of how straightforward it is to set up. Thanks for getting to the end of the video. My name's Groovon. There's a lovely little playlist at the end that you might be interested in as well. Bye for now.
Move on, 'cause it's time to move on.